So in this video, we'll be discussing about the pairs. I need to find a pairs whose sum is present in the given array. Okay. So this is, you can consider one of the variation of two sum approach problem where there was a target where we need to add the elements and we have to see whether that element sum is equal to my target value or not. But here we have to search for the sum pair in the given array, not any target array. So there is a chance that target value might be different from the elements present within the array, right? So here target should be the element present in the array. So you can consider it as some kind of a variation of two sum approach problem which we have discussed in the previous video. So let's understand the approach. How can we resolve this problem? How can we solve this? Okay. So let's understand with one example. Okay. So one example I can consider like 1 1 7 3 8 1 2 9 10. Let's suppose I am considering this example. Okay, so in this example, what will be my pairs whose sum is present in a given array? Okay, what will be my pairs here? So first pair will be 1 comma 1. Why? Because 1 plus 1 is 2, which is present in the given array. Because I will have to go from the left towards right, one by one I have to go. Okay, so first 1 is compared with 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, then I will check next 1 plus 7. Okay, so is 1 plus 7 equal to 8 present in the given array? Yes, it's present. You can see 8 is present over here. So I will add 1 and 7. Okay, then 1 plus 3. Is 1 plus 3 present in the array? No. So I will not add. 1 plus 8. Yes, 1 plus 8 is 9. So I will add here 1 and 8. Then 1 and 1 again coming. So I will add it again. 1 and 1. Okay, then 1 and 2. 3 is present in the array. So 1 and 2. Then 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Why? 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 is already present in the array. Okay. Then comes 1 plus 10 is not there. Then I will start again. Now I will shift to here. Okay. So now my pointer will shift to next index. I have already checked with the first index. Now I will check with the second index, which is my next index value. Then I will check 1 with 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 1 and 7. Then 1 and 8, 1 and 8, then 1 and 1, then 1 and 2, then 1 and 9. Okay, then I will check with 7 again. So 7 plus 3, 10, it's present. So 7 and 3 will come again. Okay, then 7 and 8 not present. 7 plus 1 is 8. Yes, 7 and 1 will be there. Then 7 plus 2 is 9, which is present. So 7 and 2 will also be there. Then 7 plus 10, 17 is not present. Then I will check with 3. 3 plus 8, it's not present. 3 plus 1 not present. 3 plus 2 not present. 3 plus 9, 3 plus 10 not present. Then I will check with 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's present. 8, 1. Then 8 and 2 is present. 8 and 2. Then 8 and 9 not present. 8 and not present. Then 1. 1 and 2 is present. 3. 1 and 2. But then 1 and 9. Okay. 1 and 10 not present. Then with 2, 2, 9, 2, 10 not present. 2 plus 9 is 11 and 2 plus 10 is 12. Both are not present in a given array. So my final output will be this. But it needs to be sorted order. Okay, it should not be printed like this because 1 1 you can see is showing over here. Then next 1 1 is here. Okay, and then next 1 1 is here. So it's like not in sorted order fashion. So I need to sort this. Like all 1 1 should come first. Then all 1 2 should come second, then 1 3, then 1 4, then it will start from 2 1 2 2, then 3 1 3 2, like that it should come. Okay, so that we need to give the sorting for that. So sorting algorithm we have to write, the code we have to write for sorting. So what will be my approach over here? How can we start this in resolving this problem? Okay, how can we start this? So first of all, we have to take one set. Okay, we have to take one hash set. Why hash set? Because it contains duplicates, right? 1 1 1. So for comparison purpose, whether the sum is present or not, I need to take one hash set. Okay, so let me take hash set over here. Let me remove this. Okay, then what we have to do here? I have to calculate the length first. So int n will be equal to array dot length. This will be my length of the existing array. Then what we have to do? We have to take set. Okay, set of integer, these are integer only, right? Set of integers set equal to new hash set. Okay, like this we have to write, and then we have to run a loop, for loop, which will start from first index to end index, and then we will be taking element over here, int element from this array, which is ARR. Okay, so this is ARR. Then within that, what we have to do over here, guys? So within this, we have to add it in a set. So I will do set dot add, and then we have to add this element. So I have added into the set. Okay. So now with this set, I need to check whether the sum is present within this set or not. Now this set is containing all the unique elements. Okay. So now what will be my next step? This was my first step. I have to create one set to do the comparison part. Okay. So what will be my next step? My next step is to run a loop from I equal to 0 to n, and then j from I plus 1 to n. Okay. So I am removing this part. Okay. Okay, so here what all things we have calculated over here? Set I have calculated. Okay, what's the value of set? We have calculated. So now what will be my second step? My second step will be I have to run two for loops over here. The first for loop will start from int I equal to 0, it's our 0th index, I less than n, which is my length of the array, and then is I plus plus. Okay, then I will write again one for loop, int j equal to I plus 1, because I have to compare this element with this, then with this, then with this, like that we have to go, right? So j equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Okay, so after that what we have to do over here? We have to calculate the sum of these two, array at I plus array at j, and we have to check whether that sum is present in a given set or not. So I will write one if condition, if set dot contains. Okay, you know, right, there is a method called contains method, with the help of which we can check whether the element is present in the given set or not. Okay, so set dot contains, what we will write over here? Tell me, guys. We have to add these two. So we will do ARR of I plus ARR of j. Okay, so like this we have to write, if set dot contains this, okay, that means ARR of I plus ARR of j, 1 plus 1 is 2. I have found out 1 plus 1 is 2. It's present in the array. So what we have to do? We have to create one list of list. Okay, because there will be like a big list which will contain all the list whose sum is present in a given array. Okay, so here I will create one list of integer. Okay, it's like full integer we have to write. Result equal to new array list. Like this we have to write. And this is the result, is the list of list, and here we have to initialize one list. Okay, so that we have to add the data. This is list of list, and within if we have to initialize one list variable. So here I will write list of integer al equal to new array list. Okay, so here what we have to do? This is ARR of I and ARR of j. I have found out the pair, so I have to add it into the list, correct? So I will add it into the list. So al dot add ARR of I, okay, and then al dot add ARR of j. Okay, I have added it into the existing list al, and then in the result, which was the list of list, I have to add that list into the list of list. Okay, so I will add into the result dot add al. My current list will be added to my result, which was list of list. So till now there is any confusion, you can just comment it down below. Okay, you can directly ask me, we will help you out with that. So till here, any doubt? Okay, I don't think so there will be doubt till here. It will be clear only. Okay, it's very easy till here, nothing is present. Okay, till now it's done. So now what will be my next step? Okay, so I have found out the results. Till now I have found out all those elements which I have written over there, right? 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 7, then again 1 1 1 2. But I could have returned this result directly. Okay, so you will get that output, but I want output in a sorted order fashion. How can we write it so that I can get the data in sorted order fashion? Okay, So here what we have to do, we have to initialize one boolean flag value to check whether data is present or not. So there can be a chance that there can be a test case scenario, like if we add any two element, I won't get any value in the existing array. Okay, so let's suppose I'm taking example like 1, 2 and 10. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3, not present in the array. 2 plus 10 is 12, not present in the array. 1 plus 10 is 11, not present in the array. So data is not present. So that can be one of the test case possibility, right? So to start comparing, to write logic for that, we have to check whether result is existing or not, whether the result contains any data or not. So you can do it in two ways. Either you can initialize flag and check whether flag is true or not, then you can go for comparing, or else you can check whether result is empty or not. If it is not empty, then you can go for comparing. So you can go both ways, but here I am considering one boolean flag. So here I will take one boolean flag, okay, boolean flag over here, and flag is initialized to false. Okay, flag is initialized to false over here. So if we have found as that set contains this two elements, so sum is equal to the element present in the given array, so I will make flag as true. I will make flag as true over here. That signifies that the element I have found out and is present in the given array. So next step will be what? So next step we have to sort it. Okay, so how can we sort it? Just think it. We have to sort this. It will not be in a sorted order. I want all 1 1 in the first, then 1 2 in the second, then 1 3s in the third. Like that we have to sort it. Okay, so for that what we have to do? So now we have got to know that the result list of list is being calculated till now. So now I will go to next step. Okay, step number 3. So I am deleting it till here. Okay, so now what will be my next step? So here you can see I have got my result, but it is not in sorted order fashion as we have discussed. So here what we have to do, we will take one result over here. Okay, result dot, I have to do, first we have to check whether data is present or not, whether flag is true or not. So if flag is true, if flag, that means flag is true now. Then what we will do now, I will make use of sort. Okay, so lambda function I will be using over here. Okay, it's a Java 8 feature. So that result, okay, which we have calculated, which was list of list, result dot sort. Okay, here we will write a comma b. Okay, here we will be using lambda function. This is lambda function which we will be using. A comma b gives. So here I will write integer dot compare. Integer dot compare a comma b. Sorry, a dot get 0. A dot get 0 comma b dot get 0. Okay, so let me explain you what I have written over here. So here I have made use of sort method, which is present within list of list. Okay, so here it will take first element, like 1 1 it will take, and 1 7 it will take. It will start comparing, like to put 1 1 first. Okay, we have to check, right, which comes first. So we will take 1 1 and 1 7. So out of these two, which will come first? 1 1 will come first, right? So for that it will put a here. Okay, so a will be put as 1 comma 1, b will be put here as 1 comma 7. Okay, so here it will check a dot get 0, means 1 will be compared with 1. I hope you are getting here. A here means 1 comma 1 and b here means next value 1 comma 7. So a dot get 0 will be compared with b dot get 0. That means 1 will be compared with 1. Okay, so a dot get 0 will be 1 and b dot get 0 will be 1. A dot get 1 will be 1 and b dot get 1 will be 7. I hope you are getting it. It's just a coordinate 1 1 1 7. Okay, so if here we are seeing that 1 and 1 is same, that means a dot get 0, b dot get 0, both are same. Now how can we compare to put 1 1 in first position, then 1 7? What can we do over here? So here we will store it in a variable COMP for comparison purpose, and then we will check if comparison is 0. if comp value is equal to 0 or not. If comp is 0, that means these first two elements get 0 part is same, it's 1 and 1, so comp is 0 now. So if comp is 0, then we will return, what we will return over here, guys? Same thing we will be writing, but we will be doing a dot get 1 and b dot get 1. Okay, same thing we will be writing, integer dot compare. Same thing we will be writing, but a dot get 1 comma b dot get 1. Okay, so till now any doubt? And then finally from here we will be returning compare. This compare which is being calculated over here. So there can be a chance that two values are not same, all are different. There can be that test case that both the values are not same. Okay, so in that scenario what we have to do? We have to return the CMP which is calculated over here. Okay, so it will just compare 0 0 part, like let's suppose the data are 1 7 2 3 4 4 9. So now first element is not same, so I will directly return this CMP. But if it is same here, just like for this example, we have to check for next get 1 and b dot get 1. So I hope you are getting the clarity like how it is being compared. So here it's finished. Okay, we will finish this, and then at last we will return what I will return at last. I will return my result which was list of list. Okay, at last we will return the result which was list of list I will be returning. Okay, so here we will be at last after returning CMP I will return the result. So if we execute this, you will get the output like 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, then 1 7 1 7, any number of time which was repeated, which was not in sorted order fashion, now it will be in sorted order, and all will come like 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2. Then all ones will be finished, then twos will be starting 2 1 2 2, then 2 1 2 2, then 2 3 2 3 2 4 2 4, then threes will be starting, then fours, like that it will come in sorted order fashion. Okay, so I hope you have learned something. It's a very good conceptual question. Okay, so you may get this type of question in interview as well. This is very important, and some slight variations you can get. So if one type of problem you can solve, then different other type of problem you can solve it very easily. So now till now you have understood two sum approach problem, three sum approach problem, and then we have resolved to how to find out the pairs given in the existing array. So I hope you got the concept, you got the clarity. So we will see you in the next lecture, in the next set of concepts. You will learn something certain different. Okay, so till then just keep on practicing, and we will see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye. So I will attach the code for this problem which we have discussed just now, finding the pairs of sum present in a given array. So don't panic, I will share you the code below in the description box. You just check it out and you will get the knowledge. You can directly implement and try to dry run. Okay, try to debug and dry run. You will get a clarity like how this concept has been implemented. Okay.